Smoke detectors can protect you from dangerous smoke and fire, but your home may also contain the invisible, odorless gas called carbon monoxide that is produced by malfunctioning stoves, water heaters, gas fireplaces, central heating systems, or other appliances. A combination smoke and carbon monoxide detector can detect both. Smoke and carbon monoxide detectors can be battery-powered, hardwired, or have a plug. Some detectors use ionization sensors, and some use photoelectric sensors. Ionization sensors register a flaming fire more quickly, while photoelectric sensors provide faster responses to smoldering fires. They should be placed on each floor, inside and outside of each bedroom, in living areas, near stairs leading to an upper floor or basement, and at least 10 feet away from your stove and furnace. Detectors should be mounted on the ceiling at least 6 inches from the wall or on the wall 6 inches below the ceiling. To install a battery-powered smoke and carbon monoxide alarm, use the mounting bracket on the back of the device as a template. Trace the holes and drill using the bit size recommended by your unit's manual. Place wall anchors into the hole and tap them flush with the wall or ceiling. Drive the screws through the bracket into the anchors. Insert the batteries into your alarm. Attach the detector unit onto the mounting bracket by clipping or screwing it in. Test your detector by using the test alarm sequence outlined in your manual. Test each alarm you install and immediately replace any that do not test properly. Clean the alarm regularly, keeping it free of dust with a dry cloth or vacuum. Avoid water or cleaners on your smoke detector. Change your batteries twice a year. Changing your batteries when you change your clocks for daylight savings time can be a good way to remember when to do this. Keep your manual in a safe place so you can refer to it for instructions on batteries, programming, or notifications. It only takes a few minutes to set up and maintain your smoke and carbon monoxide detectors, and keeping your home and your family safe is worth the time.